Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I see that you're interested in signing up on the one of the mentorship programs. Now, there are two mentorship programs. One is the Profitable Trader, which will give you access to the current 132 instruments that I am currently tracking for supply and demand and accumulation and distribution, as well as any and all of the trade ideas that I send out to the group in the membership area, okay, in the community area that is only available for the members, okay, like here. So you guys can see that I am pretty much active. I just currently sent this one out for a personal trade that I'm in, and then 21 hours ago, a day ago. So I am actively scanning these 132 instruments to send you guys out trade ideas that will help you with your trading. So that is the profitable trader. Now, the pro trader, you're not only going to get access to the 132 instruments that I'm currently trading, but you can also ask me to add in a particular instrument that you would like for me to track, as well as you get access to the webinar that I do every Sunday that goes over our trading strategy. I go into detail on exactly how it is that I'm able to trade and catch these moves in the market based on accumulation and distribution. I do all that live. And we also do a full market forecast for any of the pairs that you want to take a look at. But let me show you what you guys will get access to. Okay. So you get access to the top 20 high market caps. All right. That I am currently tracking. And again, guys, every single one of these I update every week, as well as send out trade ideas for developing trades. You can see there's a trade idea there that we're waiting to develop. Okay. We also get access to the Dividend Kings. Okay. I track every single one of these. So if you are investing in stocks, you will know or get a pretty much a good idea on where you should be buying into. And if you're not trying to hold long term, also where you should be taking profit. Okay. Also, the stock market indexes, I have those. I have sector ETFs. All right. I'm tracking all of these again every week. All right. I have the regular ETFs right now. I'm just tracking the ARK Invest, but I will be adding more ETFs into that. We have REITs, which is the real estate. If you guys are into doing real estate investment, you want to add that to your portfolio. We also have monthly dividend instruments. All right. These instruments will pay you a monthly dividend. So if you want to know where you should be getting in and taking profit on those as well, we have the indexes and indices. Okay. We have crypto. All right. Right now we're tracking Cardano and Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin. All right. We have metals. Okay. Gold and silver right now. We have energy. All right. Which is the US oil. Now we have our Forex section where we're tracking the overall US dollar index, as well as these various Forex pairs. And guys, if there is a pair that is not listed here, you can request to have that added, and that will help me to grow this 132 instrument list that, again, I update on a weekly basis. And throughout the week, every day, I'm going through scanning for you guys for trade ideas that you can take. Okay. If you guys want to take a look, here is a current SPX trade idea that I currently have going here. Let me show you guys this. I think we're currently set for a 10.9x on this. Well, not 10.9x, but a 10 to 1 profit ratio on this. So we'll see how that plays out. All right. So again, guys, if you're interested, it is certainly worth the cost. You can certainly make your money back, and I think what is provided on these levels will certainly benefit you. All right, guys. I hope to see you on the inside. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.